Lesson 91, linear inequalities greater than or equal to in systems of linear inequalities. We're going to jump right down into systems of linear inequalities and cover everything because I know how much you guys hate long videos. So this is going to be rather short, and it's graphing, which I think is quite enjoyable. Now what we're going to do is we're going to graph these. You'll notice they're not equations. Typically what we've graphed is y equals 1/2 x plus 2. This time, however, we have inequalities. So all the points, all the y values are going to be less than the line, is basically what we're saying. So all you do on these problems is you graph the lines. So let's start. We'll do the first one in blue. So here we go. We're going to graph these. So y equals 1/2 plus 2. This is your y-intercept, so we put a point on 2. Our slope is rise 1, run 2, rise 1, 1, 2, run 2. And you'll notice that it's not and equal to. So instead of connecting our 2 points with a solid line, we're going to connect them with a dotted line like this, because it does not include the line itself. So we connect them with a dotted line. Use a ruler, looks better than mine. Now we want all the y values that are less than the line. So what we're going to do is color in everything underneath the line. So here we go. And then we're going to go on to graph the next inequality. And where they intersect is the solution. Every point in the intersection will satisfy this inequality and this inequality. So let's do this one in green. So we put our y-intercept is on -3. So we go 1, 1, 2, 3. And our slope is -1 over 1. So we fall 1 and we run 1. And now this one is a solid line because we have this and equal to part. So we get out our line and we connect our points. Kind of missed that, didn't I? Never fear, I can move my line. And let's just make this into a line here. And this time it's all the y values are greater than the line. So we're going to color in everything above the line like this. The place where they intersect is the solution to this inequality. So they're going to intersect right in this area. Let's just do this in our red. They intersect right in here. So, oops, I went over the line. That's not good. Shouldn't cross the line. So all these points in between the lines, right here, that's where the two areas intersect. Every point in here makes this equation true and this equation true. If you don't believe me, let's just pick a point like 0, 0. It's in the middle. It's in this spot where we colored in. If we put 0 in for x and y, we would get 0 is less than 2. 0 in this one, 0 is greater than or equal to, that would be 0, -3. So any point in this intersected area makes both inequalities true. Let's just do one more. Hopefully you're finding these pretty easy. First one, y is greater than x minus 2. So our y-intercept is -2, point on -2, rise 1, run 1. Again, it's not and equal to, so it's going to be a dotted line. That is a dotted line. And it's everything greater than the line. You can check these, like we can pick the point 0, 0 and see if it makes this true. 0 is greater than -2, and that's true. So we know this point is true, so all the ones above it are also true. So you have to color all these in. And then we do the other one. So this one is, our y-intercept is 1. Our slope is rise 1, run 1. And let me make sure I copy this problem down correctly. Yep, so let's connect these with a straight line. And this is going to be, because it's and equal to, we make it a solid line. We want everything less than, so it's going to be everything underneath the line, like this. And where they intersect, every point in this intersection will satisfy both inequalities. And you can always check this by picking a point in here like 0, 0. 0 we showed already made this one true. We put 0 is less than or equal to 1, it also makes that one true. So all the points in between these two lines are the solutions to both inequalities. So that's it for lesson 91.